Hello there, welcome to Get Data Solution. Today we'll see about party planner, where we see party planning checklist, and the checklist contains 3 weeks prior to the event planning, 1 week on the day of the event. It has also the guest list and the budget. So today we'll see about this party planner. Just before looking into today's party planner, which is the topic of today, let's see the purpose of Get Data Solution. Get Data Solution provide dashboard and other data management tools, and the main purpose of this channel is to modernize data system, to save time, to generate automatic report, to reduce cost, to increase productivity, to manage project, to manage business, and to learn new skills. Those are the main purpose of this channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, Get Data Solution. Here is the reason why you should subscribe. It will actually help you get different tools that support your business or project in a way that it will help you to manage your business, to manage your project, to manage your work, to automate your activity, to increase your productivity, to learn new skills, and help you make informed decisions. So these are the reason why you should subscribe to this channel. So let's come back to our topic for today. As I have said, it is a party planner. Here you can write party name or the event title here. Let's say ABC in your own preference. Then you write here venue or location. Let's say is Hilton Hotel, for example. You can add additional information here, and the event dates and time. Let's say August 27, 2023. Timing is, let's say, 1 p.m. So you can write the date of your preference and the timing. Then come back to party planning checklist. We have a checklist for prior to 3 weeks, 1 week, and on the day of the party. Here you can add or you can change with your own. For example, just before 3 weeks, before 3 weeks, you can actually tick here the activity you should do. Simply you do like this and check the activity that has been actually implemented ahead of time. When come to 1 week again, you can tick the activities here from the list, or you can simply add your own activity. Simply you highlight and drag like this and add your activity like this. So this is prior to 3 weeks, this one is 1 week, and this one is on the day of the event or on the day of the party. So you'll check the list of your event, and so on. Okay, you can tick right, or you can actually delete if you like. So that is the checklist for 3 durations: 3 weeks prior to the event, 1 week prior to the event, and on the day of the event. Then you'll have a guest checklist where, for example, in this Abdi Boru is his invitation, whether he's invited or not. First, you'll just finish the invitation here. You simply select from the pick list. Then, similarly for attending, you'll check it like this. Again, for thank you, you do similar ticking. You check it. Here is the continuation of your guest. You can add the guest here. Let's say Tola, and then you can tick accordingly. The next one is, once you finish the guest list and ticking that, then you will see your budget. As per this template, the budget is for these major categories. The first one is venue, decor, food and beverage, entertainment, event documentation, attendee or guest service or invitation, and others. So here is the total, and here is the total budget. This is the total budget, and this is total expense, and here is the difference. So each category is further explained here in flow table. For example, for venue, here is the list. For decor, here is the list. For food and beverage, here is the list. For entertainment, here is the list. And for event documentation, here is the list. And for attendees, and so on. So let's do it now. For the budgeting, once we just update this data, it will actually update this category in terms of total, subtotals, budget percentage, and total budget, total expense, and the difference, as well as here this chart will be updated. Let's check it for venue, for example. Currently for the equipment rental is 100 budgeted, and here is a 2500. The expense so far is 500, and the remaining is 2000. So let's say, for example, for location or rental, if you put this, for example, 300, can you see it? This is also updated. This is also updated. This is also updated, and the chart is also updated. Let's add again. Let's say for security, if you pay for security 100, it will actually update itself. Similarly for the decor, for example, currently for, let's add this one 50, and less for food, let's say it is 500 For beverage, for cake, for example, let's say 100. Similarly, for entertainment, you can add for photography, for example, videographer, photographer. Let's say for photographer is 100. So we can keep on changing based on our reality. So once we update that, we will have this summary. The total budget is 2,500 and the total spent is 1,650 and the difference is 850. We have still a budget. We can update, for example, some of them. For example, let's say for design 150. For let's say for food and beverage cutter stuff, let's say this one is 200. So yeah, we'll get this summary. So with our budget is for venue is contains about 25% of the total, decor 8%, food and beverage for 3%, entertainment 3%, event documentation 8%, attendees and guest service 3%, invitation 10%, others 3%, and so on. Here is the subtotal. Here is the total budgeted. This is the expense. This is the difference. We have still have $500 in as a difference, and here is the budget in pictorial or in pie chart. So this is very important party planner for the event, and it's a good indicator for how we can manage our event in a good way and in a better way, so we can manage it. We can manage everything through this planning template, party planning template, which we can use is party planning checklist for the activities here prior to 3 weeks, 1 week, or on the day of the event as well. We have a checklist for the guests that should be invited here in both this table and this table. So we can tick the invitation, the attending, and the thank you as per our requirement. Then we will budget it accordingly, and we know that the percentage of the budget and each detailed budget, and here we also have a detailed budget. So that is it. So I think it is very important for planning purpose, and you can use this party planner for any event. It could be wedding, or it could be graduation, or it could be any ceremony for that matter. So that is it, and thank you very much for attending this video, and please consider subscribing for this channel. Thank you and bye bye.